Companies using AI for lead generation see 50% more qualified leads at 40% lower cost. Here's the complete system from zero to automated pipeline. Apollo.io and S.C.A.L.A use AI to find ideal prospect from a database of 275M contacts. Define your ICP once, and the AI continuously surfaces matching leads. AI researches each prospect's company, recent news, and pain points, then generates personalized email sequences that feel handwritten. Reply rates jump from 2% to 12%. AI scores leads based on engagement, fit, and buying signals. Hot leads get routed to sales immediately. Cold leads enter nurture sequences. No lead falls through the cracks. Full walkthrough building the entire lead gen system in S.C.A.L.A, connecting to email via instantly.ai, and setting up AI-powered follow-up sequences. Download my AI lead gen template in the description. Subscribe for the advanced cold email masterclass with AI coming next month.